In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Upwork app not working. If you are encountering any challenge with the app, maybe the app can't open, it keeps on crashing, or it is too slow, then use one of these methods to fix this problem. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to do this, you need to go ahead and first access Upwork app info page. To do this, long press on your app and you should see app info. However, depending on the smartphone type, you might be missing this, but you should see a settings gear or even the name of the app on this pop-up. Go ahead and tap on it to access the app info page. From this app info page, we need to go ahead and clear the app data. If I go to storage here, you should see a breakdown of data stored by our Upwork app. Of importance is this cache data. When this cache data accumulates, it might cause your app to malfunction. To fix this, go ahead and tap on clear data down below and then choose the second option, clear cache, and finally OK. And as you can see, our cache data has been cleared and part of user data. At this point, go ahead and restart your smartphone and this should fix your problem. In most cases, this works 100%. And now you shouldn't have any issue. But should you still experience any challenge, then you might want to clear all data here and then choose the first option, clear all data, and OK. And at this point, you'll need to go ahead and log in afresh to your app to be able to use it. However, should these two methods fail, then head to the third method, and that is to look for this app either through Google Play Store or App Store. So I'm on Android. I'll go ahead and search for the app through Google Play Store. You can see it is here. Look for any update if it is available. One of the reasons why your app might be malfunctioning is because you are using an outdated version of Upwork app. And to fix this, go ahead and update it to the latest version. Now, if this does not work, then head to the last method, and that is to uninstall and then install this app fresh. This is more especially so if your app continuously crashes. So by doing this, now your app should be up and running without any issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.